The ship can float on it, but it can't. It ain't going nowhere. It can float on the blood, but it's not going anywhere. So the third seal. No, that's the third seal. This is when the little wormwood asteroid is supposed to hit, and a third of the waters is turning bitter. So, Don, when did the third of the water turn bitter? This is Revelation 8.